Now we're in the restaurant. This high-end restaurant, like they have 3 levels. We're on the 3rd level. This is the one of the room. You come into the room. Not only it sits 12 people, they have your own washroom just for this room. It's this suite, like this room. And oh, it didn't have paper for wiping your hands. It's okay. They have blower. You can blow dry your hands, don't they? Yeah.
It's not blower.
Oh, that's the paper tray. It's just run on the paper. Okay, that's fine. But imagine you come out for a restaurant, like you're going to your own room. It says 12 people have a good party, and they actually have your own washroom here. So they're very flexible in the restaurant. Like you're allowed to bring your own juice, your drinks, your own liquor, and your own food. And they don't really force you to only buy their food here, because they start with a fruit platter. And they have a huge rotating table on the top, so that when they're having so many dishes, they can just rotate and everybody can have access to the food. This is for drinking hard liquor. So one is probably 2 shots in the bigger glass, and they have a smaller shot for you to have a smaller portion every time. Serve with the tea, and they give you those chopsticks. These are not the final form. These are, have a hole in the front because they give you the single usage tips. So they give you you have to open it up and insert those single usage tips to put it into a chopstick holder. Okay, we just open up the package. They have the toothpickers and 2 pieces of the chopsticks. They have a dot. Those are the ones for the insertion. So you just put in these one into the holders, and you have a second one into the holders, and you place them here for the chopstick holder, and you grab them for the watermelon, put into a plate. And you can just eat with the chopsticks.